Imagine waking up on a Saturday morning with the determination that, by Monday, you will have a new job. It might sound ambitious, but the truth is, it's entirely possible when you understand the power of your imagination and how to use it effectively. Over the course of this weekend, you're going to learn how to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions so that by the time Monday arrives, you're in a completely different place, professionally and mentally. The first step is to clearly define what you want. Too often, we approach job hunting with a vague sense of what we desire: a better job, more pay, or something fulfilling. These are all worthy goals, but they lack specificity. To truly manifest a new job, you need to get crystal clear about the specifics. What position are you aiming for? What company do you see yourself working at? What are the exact responsibilities, the work environment, and the type of colleagues you wish to have? The more detailed you can be, the better. Once you have a clear picture of the job you want, it's time to immerse yourself in the feeling of already having it. This is where your imagination becomes your most powerful tool. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and begin to construct a vivid scene in your mind. Picture yourself in the new job. See yourself sitting at your desk, talking to your colleagues, perhaps even receiving your first paycheck. Feel the satisfaction, the excitement, and the sense of accomplishment. The key here is to make this scene as real and detailed as possible. Engage all your senses. See the surroundings, hear the sounds of the office, feel the texture of the desk or the weight of the paycheck in your hand. This practice of living in the end is crucial because it aligns your subconscious mind with the reality you wish to create. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between what is real and what is thought. It accepts as true whatever you consistently feed it. By repeatedly immersing yourself in the feeling of already having the job, you're programming your subconscious to bring this reality into your physical experience. Now, while you're doing this inner work, it's also important to take inspired action. This doesn't mean frantically sending out resumes or applying to every job posting you see. Instead, it means taking actions that feel aligned with the reality you're creating in your mind. Perhaps you feel inspired to reach out to a particular contact, or maybe you stumble upon a job posting that feels like a perfect fit. The key is to stay open and responsive to the nudges and opportunities that come your way. In addition to visualizing and taking inspired action, it's important to cultivate a mindset of unwavering belief. Doubt is the biggest obstacle to manifestation. If you allow yourself to entertain thoughts like, "This is impossible," or "What if it doesn't work?" you're sending mixed signals to your subconscious, which can dilute the power of your visualization. Instead, whenever doubt creeps in, gently but firmly replace it with thoughts of certainty. Affirm to yourself, "This job is already mine," or "The perfect opportunity is coming to me now." As you go through your weekend, continue to reinforce this belief by noticing any small signs that your manifestation is on its way. These signs could be anything: a positive interaction, a job lead, or even just a feeling of increased confidence. Acknowledge these signs and use them as evidence that your desired outcome is unfolding. The more you focus on what's working, the more you'll attract circumstances that support your goal. It's also important to keep your energy in a high, positive state. Emotions like frustration, impatience, or fear can block the flow of your manifestation. If you find yourself feeling anxious or doubtful, take a break from the process and do something that lifts your spirits. Go for a walk, listen to uplifting music, or engage in an activity that brings you joy. The goal is to stay in a state of relaxed expectation, knowing that what you've asked for is already making its way to you. Once you've established a clear vision and are actively engaged in visualization, the next crucial step is to maintain a consistent alignment with your goals through daily practices. It's not just about visualizing once and waiting for results. It's about integrating the energy and mindset required for success into your daily routine. To sustain momentum, consider setting aside a few moments each day for focused intention and reflection. This can be as simple as dedicating 10 minutes each morning to visualize your desired outcome and affirming your belief in it. During these sessions, immerse yourself in the feelings and experiences associated with achieving your goal. For instance, if your desired outcome is a new job, assume the specific tasks you'll be performing, the people you'll be interacting with, and the sense of fulfillment you'll feel. Make this visualization as vivid as possible. The more detailed and emotionally engaging your mental imagery, the more effectively it will imprint on your subconscious. Beyond daily visualization, pay attention to the alignment of your actions with your intentions. Every action you take should be a reflection of your desired outcome. For example, if you're looking for a job in a particular industry, immerse yourself in industry-related activities, read articles, attend webinars, or engage with professionals in the field. These activities not only reinforce your commitment but also open doors to opportunities that might otherwise remain unnoticed. Additionally, maintaining an open and receptive attitude is crucial. Be aware of the signs and synchronicities that may guide you toward your goal. Sometimes, opportunities come in unexpected forms, and being open to these possibilities can significantly impact the manifestation process. For instance, you might receive advice or a referral from an unexpected source, or you might come across a job listing that perfectly matches your aspirations. Trust in the process and remain alert to these potential indicators. Another important aspect is to cultivate resilience and persistence. Manifestation can sometimes test your patience and resolve. It's important to stay focused on your vision, even when immediate results aren't visible. Understand that every step you take, every action you perform, and every thought you think is contributing to the overall manifestation process. Your belief and consistent effort are crucial components in bringing your vision to fruition. Moreover, actively seek feedback and adjust your approach as needed. If you're not seeing the results you expect, it might be helpful to reevaluate your strategy. Are there additional skills you need to develop? Are there networking opportunities you haven't yet explored? Adjusting your approach based on feedback and new insights can enhance your effectiveness in manifesting your goals. Maintaining a positive environment is also vital. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your growth and align with your aspirations. Their positive influence can boost your morale and reinforce your belief in achieving your goals. Conversely, try to minimize exposure to negativity or discouragement, as these can undermine your efforts and hinder the manifestation process. As you move forward, celebrate each small victory and progress made towards your goal. Acknowledging and appreciating these achievements reinforces your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Each step forward, no matter how minor it seems, is a confirmation that you are on the right path. By consistently applying these practices and maintaining a positive, open, and resilient mindset, you enhance your ability to manifest your desired outcome quickly and effectively. The power to shape your reality lies within you, and by harnessing it with clarity, intention, and persistence, you can turn your aspirations into reality. One of the most effective ways to maintain this positive energy is through gratitude. Even though you might still be in the process of manifesting your new job, take time to express gratitude for the opportunities that are already present in your life. Gratitude has a powerful way of shifting your focus from lack to abundance, which in turn accelerates the manifestation process. Every time you think about your new job, feel grateful as if you've already received it. This practice not only keeps your vibration high but also strengthens your belief in the inevitable outcome. As you move through your weekend, trust that the right opportunities are aligning for you. There's no need to rush or force anything. The universe operates on its own perfect timing. Your job is simply to remain aligned with your vision, take inspired actions, and keep your energy in a state of positive expectancy. Lastly, remember that manifestation is not just about achieving a specific outcome but also about personal growth and alignment. The process of focusing on your desires and working towards them can lead to valuable insights, increased self-awareness, and a deeper understanding of your own capabilities. Think of this journey as an opportunity for growth and transformation, knowing that each effort you make contributes to your overall success. By the time Monday rolls around, don't be surprised if you find yourself in a completely different situation. Whether it's a promising lead, a job offer, or a renewed sense of confidence that propels you forward. The power to manifest is within you, and when you harness it with intention and focus, incredible things can happen in a very short amount of time. If you found these steps helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights and techniques to help you manifest your desires. By subscribing, you'll ensure you never miss out on valuable content that can transform your life. Also, feel free to share this video with others who might benefit from these powerful strategies. Let's continue to grow and manifest together.